The night clung to the earth with a reluctant grip, as if loath to surrender to the dawn's inevitable embrace. In the heart of the Persian encampment, shadows dance to the flickering rhythm of a solitary brazier. Flames swayed and shimmered, casting a warm glow upon the weathered face of Commander Raj. Kneeling before them, his armor lay beside him, bespeaking the weight of battles fought and those yet to come. Arash had long since learned the language of silence, a companion who whispered truth amidst the clamor of war. He inhaled deeply the crisp scent of kindling, mingling with the musk of impending battle. Before him the fire crackled, an earthly avatar of Ahura Mazda's eternal light. In its warmth, Arash sought strength, for the dawn threatened more than the enemy's arrows. It threatened to shatter him with revelations of what might remain after the conflict. A new day that bore the scars of yesterday.
With deliberate intention, Arash began his invocation, a prayer rising like smoke in the chill air.
He spoke not in words alone, but in the silent language of yearning and hope.
O Ahura Mazda, giver of life and order, deliver us from this night.
Let thy light pour into our hearts and lift the veil from our eyes. As Arash's voice intertwined with the sacred flame, a chorus of whispers rustled through the camp. Soldiers stirred, horn steel gleaming in the gathering light. The horizon blushed a deep crimson, a portent of the blood yet to be spilled. And the wind carried the haunting song of distant bows being drawn. Arash rose, silhouetted against the burgeoning dawn, and felt the weight of countless lives upon his shoulders. The clangor of the waking camp receded to a softened murmur, eclipsed by the thunderous beat of his own heart. He bore witness to the ember glow of the eastern sky, seeing it not as a herald of war, but as a canvas touched by divine grace. He remembered the words of an old sage who spoke of the cyclical nature of existence, that every end was but a new beginning. Yet in this moment, endings felt palpable, suffocating. The morning air was heavy with the promise of resolution. He knew that hope must be kindled like the fire, a fragile yet resilient thing, capable of igniting anew.
As the sun crowned the horizon, its light was met by a cavalcade of darkened flight. Arrows that swarmed like a cloud to darken the day's promise. sky split into chaos.
Arash stood firm, the fire's flicker in his eyes mirrored the defiance in his heart. Amidst the tumult, the battlefield became a vessel, yawning heaven and earth, the place where fate's hand wove an inexorable tapestry. Arash raised his arms to the heavens, Ahura Mazda, his voice a clarion call. May these arrows bear not vengeance, but truth, that peace might rise from the smoldering ashes of our victory. The skies above seemed to pause as though listening, and in that fragile breath between heartbeats, the sun broke through with a radiant glory. Shafts of golden light spear the cloud of arrows, refracting into a spectrum of radiant hopes cascading over the battlefield.
The clash and clamor subsided, leaving behind echoes of valiant efforts and the solemnity of silence.
The valley lay strewn with the remnants of struggle, a tapestry of life and loss woven by hands unseen. The victorious Persian army raised their voices as one, not in triumph, but in a benediction of peace, a song for those who breathe no more, and for those who must now live on.
Arash walked amidst the aftermath, guided by the soft pulsations of the earth beneath his feet, and the bittersweet fragrance of trampled grass and spent arrows.
you.